Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you turn off read receipts on WhatsApp. So first you just have to open your WhatsApp and then make sure that you're using the latest version of this application. Now I'm going to open a specific conversation here, for example this one. And as you can see here, there is this double check with color blue. So you just have to click this message right here and then tap this info. And as you can see, it means read by. Okay, so how are you going to simply turn off this read receives on WhatsApp? And is it possible? So what you're going to do is you just have to go to privacy and then all you have to do is to toggle this one off. However, if you turned off, you won't send or receive read receipts, and read receipts are always sent for group chats. So a piece of advice, if you turn read receipts off, you might not be able to see who views your status and vice versa. But if you just want to simply turn off this read receipts on WhatsApp, all you have to do is to go to privacy and then turn this one off. And an added information, you can turn off your receipts for only one person selectively. So WhatsApp doesn't allow you to disable read receipts for only one person. So if you have found this video helpful or if you want to suggest something, please do comment down below and please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.